In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Strava from making activities visible to everyone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change a single setting so your runs, rides, and workouts aren't automatically shared with the entire Strava community. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen so everything loads properly. We'll make this change right inside the app, and it only takes a moment. Next, look along the bottom bar and tap You. This takes you to your personal profile area, which is where Strava keeps your account and privacy options. From here, we'll head into the app's settings. At the top of your profile screen, tap the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and opens the main place where you can adjust how Strava behaves. This is where you control what's public and what stays private. Inside settings, choose privacy controls. This section is dedicated to who can see your information and activities. It's the right place to make sure your workouts don't default to everyone. Now, tap Activities. This is the specific control that determines the default visibility for the activities you record. If it's set to everyone, anything you upload is visible to all Strava users, which isn't ideal if you care about limiting who can view your routes, times, and workout details. Here, you'll see the options for who can see your activities. Choose followers if you want only people you approve to see your uploads. This lets you share with a trusted circle while keeping things out of public view. If you want the most privacy, select Only You. That setting keeps your activities private so only you can see them in your account. Pick the option that matches your comfort level. Your choice applies immediately, and it becomes the default for new activities going forward. A quick note on what these choices mean. Followers means your approved followers on Strava can see your activity details in their feed and on your profile. Only You keeps your activities visible only to you, which is helpful if you're tracking training privately or just want to avoid any public exposure. Either way, changing this setting stops Strava from automatically making your activities visible to everyone by default. That's it. Open the app, go to You, tap the settings gear, select privacy controls, choose activities, and set it to followers or only you. With this done, your privacy is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and take control of your Strava sharing with confidence.